How to fix TikTok comment picture not showing up. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the three lines at the top right. Then go to settings at the top right. From here, you can scroll down and click on switch account and add a new account, create a fresh account. If the steps I'm going to show you is not available, click on account information, click on account region. In account region, simply search Egypt and click on Egypt. Or you can select any other country region that has the feature. After you do this, after the region has been changed, you can go to the TikTok and go to the comment. You will find the photo icon. You can click on the photo icon and post the photo as you want. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to fix TikTok comment not showing up. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.